A shower should do more than just run water. It should feel powerful, relaxing, and built for real life. Today we're reviewing the Delta 6-setting PivotPro 3-in-1 combination shower head. Rainfall comfort, high-pressure cleaning, and smart flexibility, all without changing your plumbing. Let's take a closer look. 360-degree pivot rain shower. The first thing that stands out is the 7-inch PivotPro rain shower head. This shower head pivots a full 360 degrees, allowing you to easily adjust the angle and height to match your comfort. This flexibility creates a true rainfall-style experience, giving you wider coverage and a more relaxing flow of water. It's especially useful for taller users or shared bathrooms, where everyone prefers a different shower height. And the best part is, you get all this flexibility without any plumbing modifications. Pro Clean High Pressure Spray. This shower system is not just about comfort, it's also built for performance. The Pro Clean High Pressure Spray is designed to clean twice as fast, making it perfect for rinsing soap, shampoo, and conditioner from your body, as well as cleaning tile and hard-to-reach areas. Instead of scrubbing your shower walls, you can simply switch to the Pro Clean spray and rinse everything down quickly and efficiently. Strong, focused, and practical. Exactly what you want from a modern shower head. Magnetic handheld control. This is where the 3-in-1 design really shines. Using the built-in 3-way diverter, you can choose to use the main shower head, the handheld shower, or both at the same time, depending on your needs. The handheld shower uses a magnetic docking system, which makes attaching and removing it incredibly smooth. It snaps into place securely, and when you want to remove it, a gentle push toward the wall releases it easily. This design feels intuitive, solid, and very user-friendly. Easy install, built to last. Installation is quick and DIY friendly. No plumber needed, no plumbing changes are required, and everything installs hand-tight without thread tape. Delta also includes an optional wall mount, which can be installed using adhesive or screws based on your preference. For long-term durability, you also get Spot Shield technology, helping resist water spots and fingerprints. Touch clean spray holes, allowing you to wipe away calcium and lime buildup with just your finger. And it's all backed by Delta Faucet's lifetime limited warranty. If you're looking for a shower upgrade that combines comfort, power, and smart design, the Delta PivotPro 3-in-1 combination shower head is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next review.